Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to export your bookmark from Chrome to Firefox. So if you want to switch to Firefox from Chrome and you have a lot of bookmark just like me and you want to move all these bookmark to Firefox, in this video I'm going to show you an easy way to do that. So let's get started. Go to your Chrome and right click on any bookmark and go to Bookmark Manager. When you are here, what you have to do is to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on Export Bookmarks, and here it's going to ask you a folder where you want to export your bookmark. Remember, this file is in HTML format, so I'm going to choose my download folder and click on Save. Now we are done with Chrome. Let's go to Firefox and import it. Open your Firefox, click on Bookmark Manager or Manage Bookmarks. Now we have to click on Bookmark toolbar. You have to select the folder where you want to keep it. I think I will keep it on Bookmark toolbar. Now click on Import and Backup. Now select Import data from another browser. Click on it. It's going to ask you to import from file. So click on Import from file. And here the format is HTML. We are going to select HTML. Remember that. Click on HTML. So now we are going to select the bookmark which we exported from Chrome. Click on Select. And now it has successfully imported 33 bookmarks. Click on Done. Now go back to Bookmark Manager. We are going to look for the folder where it has been imported. Okay, in my case here it is the bookmarks bar. So what if you want to keep it at this section just like on Chrome? This is what you have to do. You have to drag and drop it. Okay, we now have Facebook. Drag and drop YouTube. I want to do it just like how it looks like in Chrome. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Drag and drop Google AdSense. Drag and drop Gmail. So I'm going to do that real quick so that I won't waste your time. Don't worry, you're not going to drag and drop all of them. I'm just doing the important one that I see in the bookmark bar. So after you put this last one, you're going to see an arrow here which shows that there is more bookmarks. Now what we have to do is to go back to the bookmark. Okay, now select Ctrl A. It's going to highlight all of them. Now drag all of them and drop it in that arrow, and all the bookmark are now gone to that place. As you can see right here, we have now imported our bookmark from Chrome. When you click on the arrow, you're going to see all the bookmarks. You can see right here, just like it is on Chrome. So that's how you import your bookmarks from Chrome if you want to switch to Firefox. Anyway, that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.